Here's the app called Lockscreen Buddy, going viral on TikTok. Manifest your goals. You know, we are always little frazzled these days, just constantly distracted and brain fried from work, from social media, whatever. That's why we made this app called Bro. It's just like having a ridiculously supportive buddy on your lock screen, sends you good vibes, checks in, and helps you keep your head on straight. You can talk to Bro about whatever work, relationship, and Bro is a perfect sounding board. And yeah, so here you have it. Text people together, swipe together, shop together. Tell Bro what's bugging you, figure out. So it's kind of like a Clippy you had on like Microsoft Windows like 20 years ago, but this is on your iPhone. So let's just see how it looks like. So let's just open it up.
Hey, I'm Bro. Bro's the buddy on your phone. I'll be here sending you good vibes. Nice, so what should I call Sagittarius? Is that correct? Got it. You're a 34-year-old Sagittarius named Andrew. Now we're just missing one thing, a profile pic. Some basic tools so Bro can help you with your everyday tasks. Nice. When you can't figure out what to say, I can brainstorm the perfect reply with you. When you're swiping on a dating app, I can point out red flags and even help you come up with the right opening line. When you can't decide what to post, I can help you pick the perfect photo for your story. When you're shopping, I can go with you and give you tips on picking the right outfit.
And then you can see, yeah, so that's what it is. Free trial for 3 days. If you select annual, then it's $75 per year, or weekly, just $3 per week in here. So that's just what you have. And there is no free option, there are no invite codes, but yeah, that's how you get started.